Hey y'all, Brandon King here, BK Roofing and Seamless Gutters, out here with the crew in Bailey, North Carolina, getting some 6-inch white seamless gutters put up. They're here working. This here is what you call a outside 45-degree cut. It's gonna be a strip miter there. As you can see, the guys are all in uniform, so you know when we show up, you know who's gonna be there. And you got a 6-inch white inside strip miter over here, getting ready to put us up a 3x4 downspout. The homeowner requested that we add 2-foot kickers to the downspout, so we got them all just a little bit high off the ground, and we're going to add 2 foot of hard pipe downspout to make sure the water is directed away to where he would like it. Here in Bailey, North Carolina, for all your gutter and roofing needs, please give us a call. It's 919-268-2462. Y'all have a great day.